And say hi. We're making some lunch, aren't we? Yeah, some chicken quesadilla. Yeah. Okay, so we are gonna get going with this because we got hungry little girls. And Mommy's hungry. And Mommy's excited for this one.
One more egg. 1, 2.
We only need 1 egg. So I'm going to show you how to make literally 1 large truffle. I'm saying it that way because I know it's my husband.
I'm not going to use this anymore.
Rolling his eyes at me. Just makes 1 large one, okay? And then what you can do is, if you want large ones, you can make double the recipe. If you have a mini waffle maker, you can do half the recipe, that sort of thing. This is the size for 1 large one for our waffle maker. I was trying to figure out what it's called. Waffle maker, right?
Cookie maker.
You're silly. Cookie maker. Okay, so we're going to break 1 egg. 1 egg. Okay. Egg. It's broken. We're going to whisk it up. Okay? Whisking. Whisking.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Yeah, it's all yellow now.
I see it now.
Yeah. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add some taco spice. Now, taco spice is extremely high in carbs. Okay, so we make our own homemade taco spice. Okay, and if you want the recipe, just put recipe in the comments. And of course, if you want the written recipe for this, you put the recipe for this too. Okay, and I'll send you both recipes for it. Okay, so we made some little taco spice here, and it's 1/4 teaspoon. Put in. Taco spice, homemade taco spice, so it's nice and low carb. Okay, and we're going to mix this together now, the taco spice.
It's all yellow.
Yeah, it is all yellow with like spices in it now.
I think it's yellow.
Yeah. Okay, and then then we have our, it's 1/3 cup of shredded chicken. And then there's 1/3 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Now you can really pick any cheese that you want. We're using mozzarella cheese. But you can use like Monterey Jack cheese, any kind of cheese really that you want. So you can do the chicken, honey. You can put the chicken in. I should probably have taken the whisk out before you did that.
No, more down.
It's okay. Alright. Stick it in.
I put it in.
Okay, and you want to put the cheese in? Put the cheese in.
I put 1 in.
Here you go. Keep shaking. Shake it. Shake it. And there we go. The cheese is now in, okay? I'm going to take a spoon and I'm going to mix this up, okay? That cheese was really packed in there, wasn't it? Wasn't it?
I did.
And I'll show you what the mixture is supposed to look like before you put it in the waffle maker.
Hey, and how cute that?
Yeah. That's the flavor is quesadilla. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Okay, and we have our waffle maker. Let me plug it in. I had it plugged in and it got too hot. Okay, now if you want to. Okay, it's right here, waffle maker. Okay, and we're just gonna stick it in. You want it down so they can kind of see it. I'm gonna stick it in. It's kind of. Spread it out. Okay. What, honey?
It's a pancake.
Yeah, this is where we make our pancakes, isn't it?
See, it won't like pancake.
Okay, so we're going to stick this on until it is basically done. Then we're going to take it off. And the cool thing about this is that it's like a chicken quesadilla, right? So what you can do, what we're going to do, is we have homemade ranch dressing. And we're going to smother it. Lift it up now. Smother it in some, and that way I had it ranch dressing. Okay, so that's what you want. That's what you can do. If you want the recipe for the ranch dressing, just let me know. Just put ranch dressing in the comments. I did drop it during the barbecue event that we did in here earlier this month. Okay, but yeah, this is our lunch. Once this is done, we'll take it out and we'll have some. There you go. It was on too high. That was the issue. It's on a little high. You know, it's there we go. There we go. Now it's lower. It'll be good, okay? So then you just put it on until your waffle maker's done. You take it out, and you got one. You got one. Let me get a plate so I can take it out. Another couple minutes till it's done. And I'll take it out so you can see what it looks like. It doesn't take very long to cook these. Yeah, the smoke. I know, because it was on high and Mommy didn't realize it.
Hey, mommy. Hey, mommy.
Silly Mommy.
Uh-oh, it dropped a...
Well, it's okay, honey. That's just a little bit of water.
Oh.
Yeah, and the steam. The steam. Hopefully it'll be ready soon. Hopefully.
See? If we say go away.
It's green bean go. Red bean stop.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Away now. If we say away now.
Not quite ready.
Uh-huh.
Not quite.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
You might just be.
Okay, it's okay, Mom.
Almost. This is the edges there still just a little too soft.
Oh.
A little too soft. We'll get those cooked and then we'll get
We
this.
do stuff.
A little too soft.
Yeah,
We like
do
ours
stuff.
a little bit crispy, don't we?
Yep.
Yep. So we got some pretty cool recipes of this. Like this is just chicken quesadilla. We have a couple like cinnamon roll, apple fritter, Oreo. Those are just some of them. There is a bacon cheeseburger one. We got lots of different ones. The strawberries, chocolate chip banana, chocolate and peanut butter. And then of course just your regular one that you have. We also have a cornbread one too, a recipe of it. So that's really cool. Like we have tons of it, and we're gonna be doing the pre-arc the group. Okay, so there we go. It is now ready. Okay, no, this side's not. This side's not. taking a little bit longer than what we thought it was because it was on the high and I put it down extremely low. So now it's taking it's a little off cooked. Yeah.
And not go high.
But that's what makes these videos is because I have no idea what I'm doing in the kitchen. You can tell. No, I know what I'm doing in the kitchen. I'm just it's on the videos. I guess sometimes it seems like, okay, right? But it's because you guys like to help in here, right? So we try and make it so you guys can help. 'Cause what we find is when they're in the kitchen is when they will actually eat what they make. So a lot of stuff that they normally actually wouldn't make if I just made it all by myself in the kitchen. Okay, we're done that game. They actually wouldn't eat it, right? But since they're in the kitchen making this, they're gonna eat it, right? But say if I made that chocolate almond butter bread that I made the other day, and they weren't in the kitchen to make it, they wouldn't have even tried it, right? So that's why we have them in the kitchen with us.
All done.
So we're gonna see if this is done yet. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna angle them down so they can see it. We're gonna let it cook for another 5 minutes, and then I'll take a picture of it when it comes out down further. There. So you can kind of, doesn't that look good? Doesn't that look delicious? Okay, it's just a little flimsy. So this one's probably gonna come out in pieces, but the next one I do for the family, I'll take a picture of it for you.
Yeah.
It's because the temperature was a little off at the beginning, but it looks good, doesn't it? Looks good, looks delicious. So we're gonna keep making these. We'll take some pictures and put them in the comments of these videos. We always do that. Is when it comes out of the oven or when we're done cooking it, we put a picture in the comments so you know what it looks like when it comes out. Okay. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll put a picture in the comments, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.